Is timing out some temperature swings, breezes, and our next chance of showers. Hey, Byron.
Hey there, Shelley. That's right. And today we saw a little bit of a climb in the temperatures across much of New Mexico. And notice where we've gone from that 39 on Sunday to a 52 today, back above average for today. And if we ended the month yesterday, despite the cold weather we had over the weekend, it would be tied for the 5th warmest January on record for Albuquerque. So live look for the crest cam. Beautiful sunset taking shape. We got a dry and quiet stretch through the weekend. Some occasional breezes and minor temperature swings. I'll show you that. Also, our next chance of some rain and snow could return for next week. We'll keep an eye on that. Right now, the models are conflicted with all of that. But you see lots of positives here on the temperature change map with the past 24 hours. Many parts of New Mexico better than we were the same time yesterday. Roswell, you're at 32 now, but you made it to the mid-30s this afternoon, above freezing. 55 in Roswell, looking at 41 in Santa Fe right now, 45 in Farmington, and 50s for Silver City. Lordsburg dimming right now. Just a few clouds sifting through the sky, but no rain or snow from those clouds. So kind of state divided with cool weather across the eastern part of the state and mild weather across the west and southwestern parts of New Mexico. We're going to see a front that's going to slip through the east, and that will bring some breezy and cool conditions across central and eastern areas of New Mexico as we head into Friday, Saturday, and then mild for all parts of the state as we get into Sunday. That next weather change looks to work in as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday next week. But again, right now, things aren't looking solid on that chance of showers. So we'll keep an eye on it for you and fine tune the forecast gets closer. Cold for tonight, back to the upper 20s for Albuquerque. You'll see those temperatures dropping for all parts of New Mexico waking up on your Thursday. Yeah, you want to bundle up. Teens, 20s north with 20s and 30s down to the south. Just a few clouds in the sky across southern areas and looking at lots of sunshine through the day, central and northern parts of New Mexico. Breezes will pick up as that front begins to work into the northeastern part of the state. So Albuquerque, even a little bit breezy in the afternoon on your Thursday. And I think that we could feel that again as we get into Friday afternoon with some breezy to occasionally windy conditions with the breezes strongest over the higher terrain. Friday, that cool down begins across the east and southeast. And notice by Saturday, that temperature drops a little bit more for the southeastern part of the state. Still mild across central and western areas. And Sunday, again, all parts of New Mexico will see those mild temperatures. Feeling pretty nice for Sunday. So that is the pick of the weekend. Farmington, the Four Corners, Durango, Chinle, Gallup, Grants got a cold start the next few days, but mild temperatures for the weekend. That chance of showers trying to build in Tuesday, Wednesday. And again, we'll track that for you as it gets closer. Southwest New Mexico, Silver City, Lordsburg, dimming TRC after a cold morning. Looking good by the afternoon, near 60 degrees right on through Friday and even into Sunday with more clouds and that slight chance of showers Tuesday, Wednesday. Dip into 29 in Ruidoso, 31 in Alamogordo, a 20 for Artesia, and 19. No single digits, no cold weather advisories for Roswell tomorrow morning, so a little improvement there. 51, the high tomorrow will melt off some of that snow. A little dip there with that front Friday, Saturday. Back up for Sunday and maybe some showers next week. Down to 23 in Raton and dipping to 17 in Moriarty for tonight. And Las Vegas, you dip to 20, but a high of 49. Some breezes out there Thursday, Friday. We bump those temperatures back up as we get into the weekend. That chance of showers for next week. 11 Taos tonight, 14 Espanola. Bundle up. Remember, if you're cold, your pets are cold, make sure they have a warm spot. Santa Fe, you're in the 40s the next few days, but a 52 on Sunday looks nice. And that chance of showers tries to build in Tuesday, Wednesday. Right here in the metro, Bernalillo, Rio Rancho, Los Lunas, and Belen will have cold nights and relatively mild days. Our average high is 50 degrees, and notice we're flirting with 60. Doug and Shelley, as we get into Sunday and Groundhog Day or Prairie Dog Day on Monday. Maybe a shower as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, but nice stretch of weather to be outside. A lot better than last weekend, huh?
No kidding.